With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students, now we're going to see this question. The question says that the volume of solid decreases by 0.6% when cooled through 50 degree. Okay, so cooled through 50 degrees Celsius. Its coefficient of linear expansion is, so basically it is given that the volumetric decrease, okay, volumetric decrease, okay, this is basically percentage decrease, okay, percent volumetric decrease, okay, will be, this is the sign of percentage, we all know, okay, is equal to 0.6%, okay. So what is basically the volumetric decrease, percentage volumetric decrease? It is also given by the equation, that is delta V, which is change in volume by initial volume into 100, okay. So if you see, okay, the volumetric expansion equation, then we will have delta V is basically V gamma into delta T, okay, where gamma is the coefficient of volumetric expansion. So if you put this equation over here, then what will happen? The value of delta V, if you put, then you will get V gamma delta T divided by V into 100. Okay, so from here you can clearly see that gamma delta T is E into 100 is basically equal to 0.6%. Why? Because basically the volumetric increase was given over here. Okay, so if you see properly, one thing you must know, we don't need to find gamma, we need to find alpha, which is the coefficient of linear expansion coefficient. And we also, you must remember the relationship between alpha, beta and gamma. Okay, the relationship between alpha, beta and gamma is that alpha is equal to beta by 2 is equal to gamma by 3. Okay, where gamma is the coefficient of volumetric expansion, beta is the coefficient of areal expansion. Okay, so what we have to do is that if you see from here, then you can clearly have gamma will be equal to 3 times of alpha. Now we will replace it in this equation. Okay, so what we'll get? We will get over here, okay, we'll clearly get 3 alpha into delta T is basically 50 into 100 must be equal to 0.6. Why is 50? Because it is given that it is cooled by 50 degrees, which is delta T. Okay, so now what we'll have, we clearly now have our answer near, because now we are gonna write it. So basically, let's suppose we draw this division, okay, so that you don't get confused. So now what we'll have, alpha will be equal to 0.6, okay, divided by 3 into 5 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, so if you see properly, then the thing that will be left will be alpha will be equal to, over here if you see, you will cancel it with 3, it will be 0.2 by 5, okay, and also there will be into 10 to the power, basically you can write 2 by 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so you can clearly see alpha will come out to be what? If you see, this will be 0.4, or you can say 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, so this is basically our answer, 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. So our answer will be option number D, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 5. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.